welcome back. I am Katie. This is Rosie. We are getting ready and prepping for a flight to Michigan. And this is my first time flying with my service dog. I have flown with my cat, who is my emotional support animal. I had letters to back it up from the 2 doctors. So I didn't have any problem with her through security. Southwest is very accommodating. So this trip, I'm flying with my mom, my dog, and me, service dog. And then I kind of went above and beyond what you need for paperwork, depending on the airline you're flying. Like I said it earlier, I'm flying Southwest. So I was flying with the ESA before, I want to say it was 2015, so it's been a few years. It's 2019 now. So basically, I printed off the ADA summary, and it just goes over like how's the service animal defined, where service animals aren't allowed, they must be under control, inquiries, exclusions, and specific rules related to them. And then it goes on a list of many horses, which I don't have to worry about because clearly she's not a horse. So, and then on the last page it gives you like hotline numbers to call in case you run into problems. And I printed these off in case I run into any problems. This one, also, when you book your ticket with whatever airline you're flying, make sure you ask for TSA cares if you're in the USA. I don't know what it's like in other countries, but in the US, ask for TSA cares. They'll ask you a series of questions over the phone. My cat wants it. And then they'll email you at the end of the call. Within a couple of minutes, they'll send you like a summary of what we're told. Depending on the airline or airport and like staffing, they will call you ahead of time or they will meet you inside the airport. When they call ahead of time, they usually have a designated meeting area. A little bit on TSA cares. This is the ACAA. I printed a very Cliff Notes version. This is directly from the Department of Transportation. Disabilities hotline, it goes right here. Air travel with service animals. And then it goes in to say like what qualifies as a service animal, what animals may board, their acceptance criteria, ready to travel. And then on this page, it's traveling outside the US, which doesn't apply to me. Also, I went on Southwest.com and printed off their trained service animal paper. And then it just goes in. Some airlines' definition of a trained service animal, like here it says a cat. Cats are not service animals, but again, it falls under ADA or ACAA and the airline itself. So who knows? Okay, so we learned about what you should print off. If you want, I mean, you can have a digital copy on your phone, but I feel like that might take too long at the counter because there's people behind us and it's going to be chaotic checking luggage and getting tickets and making sure everything's okay with her. So I just printed them off. For Rosie's records, I have everything in this clear sleeve, which includes like her most recent vaccination records up here. I can't show you because it's my address and I want it to stay, well, hold on, I can't fold it. So this is like her vaccine records and some demographics of her. And then my vet printed off a reminder status report. And basically it's the same thing, only it shows what shots she's gotten and when they're due again. Sorry, they won't come in. I'll try to insert pictures, but I don't know. And then I just have her her county dog rabies tag license, I believe. Yeah. Yeah, this is her rabies. I'm sorry. And then I have her rabies certificate, which is good until 2022. So I would bring their certificate. I have, this is the doctor's note. I'm not showing you because, well, it just basically states, oh my daughter's name. I'm a patient of record and I have a mental health diagnosis. This is for the psychiatric portion, but Rosie is trained for medical alert, so the psychiatric rules in here do not apply since she's multi-versatile. So it just basically states that I was a patient of record with mental health diagnosis. This one, I'm trying to cover my personal information. Sorry, guys. Like, it's a little more in depth, and it basically says I have functional limitations imposed by medical related illnesses. Due to this, and due to these conditions, it affects me significantly, and my doctor prescribed, this is what he wrote, I prescribed Catherine to be allowed to have her service dog accompany her everywhere she goes. Obviously, she can't go in, like, burn units and ICUs and stuff. Well, she's been in an ICU before, but not a burn unit. And that her presence will help alleviate some of my disabilities by mitigating them. So that is the paperwork that I am bringing. I hope this was a little bit informative, and I hope you guys learned something. It's late in the day, so I'm probably gonna upload this tonight, and then look for part 2 tomorrow, and that'll be like what gear I'm bringing for her and packing my service dogs, like food and what water bowl I'm taking, gear. So tune in tomorrow for that. As it goes for Vlogmas, I have been violently sick with a migraine and other symptoms, so I took a step back from Vlogmas, and I'm going to try to catch up, but I might like upload one vlog a week for Vlogmas, so just keep an eye out for those. Well guys, thanks for joining in, and we shall see you later. Bye. Thanks for joining us on our adventure. Always remember, be kind and keep moving forward.